All right, hello classes. I'm back with my lab assistant Ellen, and we're going to go ahead and do another quick science experiment in the kitchen. So this is a follow-up to an experiment we did a couple of weeks ago about acids and bases. So just so you remember, when you talk about acids or bases, liquids are split into those two categories, at least water-based liquids. Sticky, yeah. So an acid is a liquid that has kind of like a sour taste to it, like lemons, for example. Whereas a base is on the other side of the liquid spectrum. Bases are more bitter. Oh yeah, we're going to test Gatorade today, aren't we? So when we posted that first video about acids and bases, I asked you for some suggestions of liquids to test next, and you guys gave me some. So today we're going to test some. So we're going to go ahead and use our black bean juice indicator here, and we're going to test each of these liquids to see if they're an acid or a base. You ready? Okay, so we're going to do this one right here first. This is milk plus vinegar. Squeeze. So somebody suggested this in the comments. And we'll let it sit for a bit, then we'll mix it and see what it comes out as. Okay. Ooh, is it doing anything? No, let's not stir with that one. Let's stir it with our other pipette. There it is. Okay, so stir away. Okay, so on this one, I don't know if we're going to get much of a reaction because we're doing it with milk. And the reaction tends to be stronger on water-based liquids, but we'll see. Okay, so we'll check that one in a bit. All right, now we're going to do just regular milk. Ready to do just regular milk? You ready? Right here, and squeeze. Okay, and then remember for a black bean indicator, if it turns pink, it's an acid. If it turns green, it's a base. If it turns just to purple, it's neutral. Okay, so we'll try the milk. Okay, now we're gonna try apple juice.
Apple juice? I like apple juice.
You do. See if it's an acid or a base. Are you ready? Trip it off. Okay, let that one go in for a bit. Okay, then we're gonna try lime juice. You don't like lime juice? It's too sour? Okay, there we go. Good. Then we'll try apple cider.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Drip, drip. And then we're going to try... Ooh, that was pretty, huh? This one right here is lemonade. Somebody suggested lemonade in the comments. And drop. Whoops, we missed. Get some more in there. There we go. Okay, then we're going to try dish detergent, or no, laundry detergent. No idea if this will do anything because laundry detergent might not be water-based, but we'll see. We'll try it. Let's do a little bit more of the laundry detergent, okay?
What's this color?
Yeah, it's kind of floating on there, huh? And then the last one we're going to try here is Gatorade. Somebody suggested Gatorade, so we're going to try it with some clear Gatorade. Here we go. Let's do one more scoop of Gatorade, okay? Alright, so now that we've dropped off our indicator in each of our liquids, we're going to see what they are. So the first one we're going to look at is water plus vinegar. So as you can see, it turned kind of a light purpley color. That means there is an acid in there, so it's got a little bit of acid to it. Then we're going to do milk. The milk didn't really turn a pinkish color at all. It just kind of looks like it's stained with the purple dye, so milk's probably close to neutral. Then we'll do our apple cider vinegar. Let's mix that one in a little bit. Or sorry, apple juice. Oh, I got milk in there. So the apple juice kind of has a reddish tint to it, indicating it might be on the acid side. And then our lime juice is a real deep purple color, so that one's definitely an acid. Our Gatorade, we'll do Gatorade next. So look at the Gatorade. Gatorade is actually a purple color too, or a pink color too. So Gatorade is clearly an acid. And we'll do apple cider. So the apple cider has kind of a pinkish tone to it. It's kind of a dark color there, so maybe we'll add some more indicator in to see if it changes it. Let's do a little bit more indicator in the apple cider. There we go. Oh, so helpful. I think you put water, milk in there too. So not much of a change. It looks like it's a light acid maybe. Okay. And then lemonade, right here. What color is lemonade?
Pink.
Yeah, that's definitely an acid. It's got a pink color to it. And then the last one we tried was dish detergent. No idea if this is going to produce anything because it might not be water-based. But we'll stir it and we'll see if we get anything out of it. So for the dish detergent, you don't see much of a reaction at all. It might be because for things like this, since they're not like largely water-based, they don't really combine with an indicator to make a chemical reaction. So we don't really get to see if this one's an acid or a base. I thought I would try it, but you're not really getting a reaction there at all. From the bottom, it looks a little bit green. It's hard to kind of show you that. So if we are getting one, it's definitely going towards the base side, not towards the acid side. Alright, so if we're ranking these by acidity, we would definitely put these guys down here. Your lemonade, your lime juice, and your Gatorade. That'd probably be followed by the apple cider. And then looking at this milk, it's even more pinkish now than it was before. Your milk. Maybe milk should go right there. Apple juice. Then we have our milk. And if there's any reaction here, I would say it's probably on the base side. So we'll put that on the base side. Alright, so there we go. Another kitchen test looking at acids and bases. So what color is this one right here? What color is this?
Pink.
And then, what color is that one?
Pink.
This one? Pinkish? Reddish? This one? Orange? What about this one? A little pink or purple? What color is this one? Do you see it? Is it blue or green now?
Blue.
Yeah, it's bluish green, right?